so I'm coming at you today from the floor, as you can see here, from my actual yoga mat. I thought it would be a good idea to just show you guys what I picked up at ASOS recently. Now, if you know me, you know that I absolutely love ASOS. ASOS is like my shop. I love going there, and everything that I buy is like 99% of the things I own is probably from ASOS. Imagine my excitement when I heard about their new activewear range, and I just knew that I just had to pick some stuff up. But he was looking for maybe like a new top and a new sports bra the other day, so I thought it was perfect timing. So yeah, I was really excited and I made my purchase last night. And my order just came today, so I have it here on the floor beside me, and I'm just going to go through it with you guys and show you what I picked up. I didn't pick up everything from the range. I think there's maybe like 20 or so products 20 or so different pieces that they've put out now, and yeah, that would be too excessive to go through the whole thing, but I thought I'd pick up things that I actually know I'm going to wear personally and things I actually wanted to buy. So if you're interested in something fitness related, maybe like my whole like journey to losing weight and toning up, that kind of thing, or just kind of the things I like to do in the morning, then leave me a comment again or like this video and I'll be happy to share. So the first thing in here is something that I actually needed to pick up anyway, because I don't have maybe enough tops and stuff. This is just says the vest top with breathable mesh panel, which I think is probably at the sides here. I don't know if you can see it from this distance. The back is actually where they have like the little ASOS branding. So I don't know if you guys know, but the ASOS brand the ASOS activewear line is actually 4505, and I guess if you look quite closely you'll see that it kind of replicates the actual name ASOS. So I feel like that's kind of why they chose 4505, because from afar it actually looks like ASOS, which I think is quite sick. So I quite like that, and I feel like that's a really cool part of the whole sportswear like brand. But I do like that purple colour on the back. I think it's quite like cool. It goes with the navy really well, so I really love that. But yeah, this is a great piece actually. I think the first impressions of the whole activewear is that it does feel really good quality. Like, I can't complain. I don't feel like it doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't feel like flimsy. It feels like it would actually absorb sweat when you are working out, and it's like durable enough, stretchy enough, that, you know, it's really lightweight as well. So the next piece in here is another top, and it's just a plain black loose fit t-shirt. So it's like a, what do they say? I guess they call this the training t-shirt in loose fit. So it's, you see, it is really loose, and again it's got the ASOS branding on the back, and this time it's in a really nice kind of like light pink kind of shade, which again is really cool. But yeah, these are like basics. I feel like there's not a lot of detail going on in a lot of the range. It's quite like muted, it's very like monotone, maybe like really simple greys, blacks, whites, that kind of thing. So there's not much like craziness going on apart from like a couple items. But I quite like that. I feel like because ASOS is just beginning, probably not best to go crazy at first and just get some basics down. So I feel like a loose black gym t-shirt is a must for anybody. And I imagine kind of like wearing this maybe when you're going into the gym, when you're traveling into the gym, or if you like working out in loose fitted clothing and you want it to have a bit more of like, I don't know, material to soak up sweat and that kind of thing, then this is a nice piece. And I wanted something that had sleeves on it for the days that I didn't shave my armpits, because that's life, and not every day I feel like shaving. So I've got quite a small chest, as you can see, but I still feel like it's important to have some kind of support and padding. It's not like a super padded bra, but it is more than what I have. So it looks a little bit like this, and yeah, I love this. And like I said, with everything, I think it's really cute, really basic, very minimal. Again, it's got the ASOS branding on the front there, and it's got a nice like white stripe across this time. The back it's just like very much like an actual bra, so it's got like the thin straps and stuff, and then it's adjustable on the back here, so you can adjust it if you want to. And yeah, like I said, the actual padding is not extensive. It's not like push up or anything like that. It's just enough where you've just got a bit more material between you and your chest, basically. So on to the very last piece, because I didn't go crazy this time round, because, you know, I just haven't got money for that this month. But the last piece is actually a pair of bottoms, I suppose. Everything else has been more tops. But I decided that I would try out some bottoms from there as well because I just wanted to see how they fit. And these are a pair of shorts, as you can see. These are the training booty short. And they are like a lot of booty, because even when I pulled them out I was a bit like, okay, what are we covering here? There's not a lot of going on here. Well, I feel like shorts for me are very revealing anyway, so having a pair of shorts to work out in, especially in a public place, is a little bit intimidating. I might keep these for just when I'm doing my workouts at home, but we will see. But they are very booty shorts. They're quite like in your butt, and sometimes I'm not a fan, but I love the hot pink on this, and it's got like the branding there on the side on one of the butt cheeks, I suppose. So I think that's really cool, and it'll probably pop as well because I have quite a butt, so I think you'll probably see a lot of that. But yeah, again, a really nice comfy material. And I have actually put these ones on first because I was a bit afraid that they would be too small because they look tiny, but they fit like really well and they're not tight at all. And that literally is it from the haul. I thought I would just share that because it is a new range, and maybe a lot of you are wondering what it looks like or what it will look like on somebody. So hopefully this video has helped you if you were thinking of buying some for yourself. Can say it's definitely not really expensive. I feel like it's a really good price. So some of those things, I think they were between £12, maybe like £19, that kind of thing. It's not expensive at all, it's very affordable. Yes, just in terms of looking at them at the moment and feeling them, they do feel really good quality, and I would definitely go and buy some more, just by feels alone, I suppose. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you found that helpful in some way or form. Again, like I said before, if you want to see something fitness inspired, if you want me to talk about my routine, if you want me to talk about my diet, my body change, the things that I like doing at a workout, whatever, that kind of thing, then leave me a comment and I'll be happy to share that with you guys, of course. And I'm gonna go now, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.